Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. A few days I made a video talking about Pepe's bear flag here. So you've come down, you made a bear flag and you broke below the flag, and it seems like you're coming really close to the technical target. Now a monthly time frame looks quite scary for many coins at the moment, and if you notice, this has 9 more days to close, 9 days, 12 hours. So you're making pretty much something known as almost like a bearish engulfing candle that is about to be printed on. So if you do end up seeing this Pepe coming down and literally closing near 965 in the next 9 days, so we may actually consolidate between 965 and 1000 for the next 9 days, and then eventually the next candle that opens up in February we dump big time, and near March you actually get to have a little bit of a bottom in the future coming up. It's gonna take a long time, I guess. I think waiting until March is a big deal, but I think when March does come, that may actually be your final opportunity for you guys to get anything cheap in crypto one last time in 2024. That might be the end of having discounts before you don't really send off Bitcoin to maybe 100,000, 150, or even 200k. I think $150,000 in 2024 or 25 is going to be something reasonable. Maybe let's say 2025 is going to be realistic. So 23 was a great year for people to shop. I think 24 is going to be great to shop, but you're going to have maybe 1 or 2 opportunities, maybe in February, maybe in March, because from April I think we are about to see a very big change coming in the whole market, because ETF is approved. The Middle Eastern people are throwing in billions of dollars into Bitcoin. I mean, all I can say is crypto is getting a lot of money. So even the shittiest coin, the dumbest coin, the coin with no utility at all, may actually go flying off the roof when that altcoin season comes in. So it's going to take time. I think you really have to have an investor mindset. That's all I'm going to tell you. You have to look things at a bigger picture. If things come down, I think dips are always good for you to enter. And if things pump to the upside, I think you must have that little bit of patience, which most of the people lack. But to be honest with you, even me, I personally wouldn't be trading now that much. I will just be buying maybe DCA, dollar cost average, and probably hold for some few months, or 2025. It's not a big deal for me to wait that much and then get the whole crazy profits from crypto that we know crypto gives you. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.